Hello friends, welcome to this video. We will going to learn something new words, or you can say the preference that the Britishers and the Americans give to the words. Okay, so here all are the words here over here. Okay, and first we will start with the quotes of that is given by the APJ Abdul Kalam. Yes, so the smile is the electricity. Okay, smile is the electricity, and life is battery. Your smile is your electricity, and your life is a type of battery. Whenever you smile, okay, when you smile, the battery gets charged. Okay, and a beautiful day is activated. Okay, this is the quote. It is given by the APJ Abdul Kalam, and let's go. Okay, without wasting time here. So, British English. Okay, they calls lift, and the Americans call the elevator. Elevator, yes, and Indian prefer call to this that is lift. Okay, and Britishers call a sweater, okay, like that is jumper. Jumper, you know, sweater we put on uh, at the period of the like what cold, okay, uh, cold season, yes. And Americans call to it that is sweater, and Indians also prefer this, okay, and this Indian, okay, and that is torch. British English follows the torch, or you can say prefer to say torch, and the Americans they call flashlight. Okay, and this rubber, okay, British English prefers to say the rubber, and we call, like Americans call, eraser, and Indians also follow, yeah, this too. Okay, and you can see that. Okay, it is jam, you know, a type of ketchup, and okay, or like sauce. Okay, so a British, in British English that is jam, and in American English they call jelly. And here number 6 that is trainers. Okay, like shoes. Okay, but Americans calls or prefers to say that sneakers. Yeah, and the and we call, Indian calls, okay, Indian says shoes. Yes, and you know, Virgin British English or Britishers, which of the people of British UK, like they call the aubergine. Okay, aubergine, that means brinjal. Okay, Indian called brinjal. Okay, and Americans call eggplant, brinjal. Okay, brinjal. Yes. So here are the topmost words that the British English and the American English prefers to say in on their language. Okay, and some of the words also Indian prefers to say. Okay, so thank you. Please subscribe to the channel and keep learning, keep growing. Thank you.